One day a bluebird suddenly flies through a window into your room and is trapped. Something about this lost bird attracts you, and you decide to keep it.
But to your surprise, the next day the bird has changed color from blue to yellow. This very special bird changes color again overnight. On the morning of the third day it is bright red, and on the fourth it turns completely black. One. The bird doesn't change color, it stays black. 2. The bird turns back to its original blue. 3. The bird turns white. 4. The bird turns golden colored. The bird that flew into your room seemed like a symbol of good fortune, but suddenly it changed color, making you worry that happiness would not last. Your reaction to this situation shows how you respond to difficulties and uncertainty in real life. One. Those who said the bird stays black have a pessimistic outlook. Do you tend to believe that once a situation goes bad, it never really returns to normal? Maybe you need to try thinking, if this is as bad as it gets, it can't get any worse. Remember, there's no rain that doesn't end and no night so dark that there's no dawn the next day. Two. Those who said the bird turns blue again are practical optimists. You believe that life is a mix of good and bad and that it doesn't pay to fight against that reality. You accept adversity calmly and let things run their course without undue stress or worry. This outlook lets you ride out the waves of adversity without being swept away. Three. Those who said the bird turns white are cool and decisive under pressure. You don't waste time on fretting and indecision, even when a crisis develops. If a situation gets too bad, you feel it's better to cut your losses and look for another route to your goal rather than getting bogged down in needless grief. This proactive approach means that things seem to just naturally go your way. Four. Those who said the bird turns golden can be described as fearless. You don't know the meaning of pressure. To you, every crisis is an opportunity. You might be compared with Napoleon, who said, "Impossible, the word is not French." But be careful not to let your boundless confidence get the best of you. It's a very fine line between fearless and foolhardy. Subscribe, like and comment for more.